So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to copy and paste the commands, which will be down below in the description. But keep in mind, there's going to be two sections. There's going to be one saying command prompt, and then under it, there's going to be something saying PowerShell. You want to ignore the one that is PowerShell and the commands that are under it. We're just going to go with command prompt. So we're just going to copy and paste all the commands under command prompt. So for the first one, we're just going to highlight it, do Ctrl-C on our keyboard, come to CMD, and then do Ctrl-V, click on enter. And now for the second one, highlight it, Ctrl-C on our keyboard to copy it, and then Ctrl-V to paste it. If you get something like this, you want to click on Y, which means yes, and then click on enter. And now for the next ones, I'm just going to fast forward the video just to save time, but just copy and paste all of this. So now I fast forwarded the video. This is me just copy and pasting all the commands. You want to copy and paste all these commands, then we're going to move on to the next step. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, you could either copy and paste the command, which should now be under the PowerShell command in the description, or you could just type it in. It's going to be wuauclt.exe space / updatenow, and click on enter. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you run this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive we have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. And then once you run this, you're going to scroll down till you find Software Distribution. Here it is. Double click on this. Click on the download folder. Delete everything here. Do Control in your keyboard and then click on delete. And then click on do this for current items and then continue. Delete everything in this folder. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. You want to wait for the scan to be fully completed on 100%. Then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.